How to like a comment on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can like a comment using the new feature on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So with the new update of Instagram, there has been a new feature available, and that is a new way to like a comment. Now, if you want to like a comment, you can simply head over to a post that you want to comment on or like a comment of. So let's say that you are just viewing a comment of a post. So after you are on the post and you see the comment that you want to like, you can either just head over to the heart and tap on the heart, or you can simply double tap on the comment, and after you double tap on the comment, it will simply like it. So yeah, it's that simple. So simply find a comment that you like, so and double tap on it and you'll like that. Now this also works for any other replies and every other comments. So yeah, that is how you do it. That is how you can like a comment by double tapping on them on Instagram. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. If you guys are new to App Hacks, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.